Less than a month after the launch of Realme C11, we now got to know that Realme C15 is going to launch soon. The launch is going to take place on 28th of July, which means we now have just a week left for the launch. This is not much of a surprise because we know that Realme likes to launch too many phones every year. As the name shows, Realme C15 is an upgrade to the Realme C11. The phone is launching in Indonesia first and then later in other markets. The official Indonesian website reveals the full design of the Realme C15 and also reveals a couple of main features of it. First of all, the design is not going to be very different from the Realme C11 because the Realme C15 has the same screen with a waterdrop notch on the top and a square camera setup design on the back. The significant design change includes quad cameras and also a fingerprint scanner on the rear. Now, while the Realme C11 has a textured back panel and a huge Realme branding, that does not seem to be the case with the Realme C15. Finally, talking about a few features of the phone that we got to know, Realme C15 has a massive 6000 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery Realme has ever put in its phone. Moreover, there is also 18-watt fast charging support, which is definitely impressive because it will help to charge the huge battery pretty fast. Realme C15 will launch in two storage options, 3GB plus 64GB and 4GB plus 64GB. Well, we don't have any information regarding the rest of the specifications, but since the Realme C11 has a MediaTek SOC, we are expecting the same to be the case with the Realme C15. Considering how fast Realme launches its phones, it won't be a surprise if Realme C15 launches in the Indian market next month. Anyways, at what price do you think Realme C15 should launch? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.